In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install BambooHR app. By the end, you'll have BambooHR running like a native desktop app, opening in its own window without all the extra browser tabs. This makes it faster to launch, cleaner to use, and easy to pin to your taskbar or dock for quick access. Start by opening your web browser and going to the BambooHR website you normally use for your company. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you land on your usual BambooHR home or dashboard. Being on a main page ensures the browser recognizes the site as installable. Next, move to the top right corner of your browser window and click the three-dot menu. This is the menu button in most modern browsers, including Chrome and Edge. When you click it, a drop-down panel will appear with a variety of options for customizing and controlling the browser. In that menu, look for the section that includes Cast, Save, and Share. Depending on your window size, you may need to scroll slightly, or some items might be grouped under a sub-menu. If your window is very narrow, try maximizing it so you can see the full list. That section is where the install option is typically located for sites that support installation. Now select Install Page as App. What this does is create a lightweight application from the current page using your browser's app framework. It's the same BambooHR you know, but presented in a focused window without the usual browser interface, which helps minimize distractions and keeps your HR tools just a click away. A small confirmation window will appear asking you to install. Click Install. The app will then be created and should launch automatically in its own window. You'll notice it looks familiar but streamlined, which is exactly what we want for a dedicated workspace. After installation, the app will be added to your system's app list. On Windows, you'll find it in the Start menu, and you can right-click to pin it to the taskbar. On macOS, look for it in the Applications folder and drag it to the dock to keep it handy. If your browser asks whether you want the app to open at login or show notifications, choose what works best for your workflow. That's all there is to it. You went to the BambooHR site, opened your browser menu, found the Cast, Save, and Share section, chose Install Pages app, and confirmed the install. If you don't see the option, make sure your browser is up to date and that you're on a primary BambooHR page. Enjoy your new streamlined BambooHR app experience.